Hello, Mr. Gbenga, how far now?
Fine, thank you. Good
It's
day.
another Monday.
Yes.
Yeah. So that's Money Monday.
Yeah.
You know, a lot of people have been scared about taxes and everything that has been going on regarding tax. So today we're thinking, let's talk about tax.
Okay.
Yeah, let's tell people what it is. So, first thing is, what is tax? Like, what's taxation? Why does government need to tax people?
All right. I would say, let me first start tax. Tax is a compulsory levy that the government impose on individual or businesses. You understand? So when you say taxation, that is the process of the government collecting these levies. That's what the taxation is.
Okay,
Yeah.
that's right. So, but why does government need to do it to people?
You know,
Would it not be better if they don't tax us on our businesses?
the reason why government will tax you as a businessman or as an individual is because they need to raise capital for their government expenditure. That's just the major reason.
Okay, nice.
Yeah.
So, can you like tell us different type of tax, that one might have to pay if I'm doing a business or if I'm an individual?
Okay, we are talking about different types of taxes. It depends on what you're doing. We have taxes for individual. We have taxes for businesses. Okay, let me use for example, if you are running maybe a fintech, your tax could be is your not could be actually your taxes will be passing CIT, company income tax. Then you do VAT, that's value added tax, and some other taxes. There are plenty taxes. Individual PIT, that's how it is. So there are plenty taxes you
So
can.
the PIT is the personal income tax, right?
Yes, that's for individual.
Okay, cool. So, so I mean, there's this thing that we used to hear how if you don't pay tax is a crime. But then
Yes.
we've also heard that there are some smart businesses that usually used to avoid tax. So
Okay.
from what I understand, there is tax avoidance, which is
Yes.
the legal way that these rich men used to do tax, and then
Yes, you're
there's tax
correct.
evasion, which is a crime. So like,
Yes.
what's really the difference? How do I know which one I'm doing that is not a crime and which one the crime is?
Like you said, tax avoidance now,
Yeah.
you understand, is the legal way. So you know that I'm avoiding it, but there is a way you do it in accordance with the tax rule. Why the tax invasion is that you are giving false information in order to reduce the cost of tax they are supposed to pay.
So what's the legal way to avoid tax?
Most of the legal way to avoid tax is there are some requirements for taxes in the tax law. So what you do is you have to play along with the requirements to avoid paying more. But now the invasion now is you do it from your own self. Let's say you have assets. You have asset that is worth about 20 billion, and you're not saying your asset is worth 200 million.
So
You
that's like
understand?
outright lying.
Outright lying.
Mr. Winger, thank
All
you
right.
very much for the answer so far.
You're welcome.
So I was thinking, you were saying something about income being 2 billion, and then from there you declare 200 million. But if is there a legal way for us to actually reduce the taxable income that the government can tax us?
Yes, there are legal ways you can reduce your taxable income. And I will just mention a few, like starting a business. If you have a business, you can actually reduce your task. You understand? Then bonds, if you invest in bonds. And also one of the most important things that people don't even keep track about this reduction of tax is claiming tax credit.
Okay.
What do I mean by that? Claiming tax credit is you paying your tax when you are supposed to pay it. When you do that, it's just like getting a loan, getting loan from a loan facility from a loan firm, and you are paying your loan when you are supposed to pay. You have more credit score than somebody that does not.
Okay.
So that's also
Helps you in
yes.
reducing your tax. All right, that's nice. So also, um,
Sorry, excuse me.
okay.
Oh, I have a meeting right now. I don't know if we can reschedule this for some other time, please.
Okay, then we'll be back next week Monday.
All right,
Thank you
thank
very
you.
much for your time.
Thank you very much. Yeah.